안녕하십니까 여러분. 저는 토픽 연습생 1번 멜빈입니다. 박수! 저는 아름다운 말레이시아 온 사람입니다. 말레이시아 좋아해요. 저는 매력적인 저는 얼굴입니다. 그리고 한국어입니다. 이렇기 때문에 저는 여기 토픽 챌린지 왔습니다. 저한테는 투표하세요. Pick me, pick me, pick me up. Pick me, pick me, pick me up. Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. 저는 열심히 할게요. Because like Korean is really difficult for me. And I have learned for like 8 years and I know nothing. 진짜 어렵습니다, 여러분. 진짜 와. So when I just came across this challenge, I'm like, oh my god, that's really for me. Because like one of the things about me studying 한국어 is that I'm always very lazy. As a trainee, as a 연습생, I have to act like one. Just man, I'm gonna nail these people. I'm gonna prove you how disciplined am I in this in learning Korean, and I promise I will go shoo. I have a plan, guys. Of course, I have a plan. I came here with a plan. Of course, in one day, I'm gonna spend at least an hour to learn Korean. I force myself to learn Korean. If I not learn Korean, then I will. 뭐지? And I'm going to prove you that all of this, all the camera over here, all the camera here, you guys are going to footage me and prove that phenomena, because I have never really learned Korean every day in 1 or 2 hours. My target is level 6. Of course, my target is level 6, but then you know how much I get during the previous like trial exam? I should get level 3. 잠깐, 그럴 수도 있어? 할 수 있어? 나는 모르겠지. The first thing is 시간, 여러분. 시간은 진짜 less, very less time for you to really think. So you know how to break down the time issue is all about practice, because if you practice more, you get familiar more, then you can get it done as fast as possible. And second is my 문법, because my 문법 is so bad and there's so many expressions in Korean grammar. So it's all about, you know, remembering and knowing different kind of expressions in different conditions, and in which condition you have to use which expression so that it can be expressed more naturally, more 자랑스럽게 이렇게. And let's see if I can get real good. Like, impossible, man. Never mind. Hello guys. 안녕하세요 여러분. Today I'm going to share you like what I have prepared for the 30 days topic challenge, as I have joined as a topic 연습생. And firstly, I'm going to show you my table. So I'm going to spend most of my time preparing topic in this table for 30 days, so you guys gonna be very familiar with that. So the first, I'm gonna share you the topic books, the reading materials that I'm using, which is like book materials. So of course, the first one is the hot topic book. So I actually bought these previously for my Korean topic preparatory class. So I'm going to use it again because there are so many questions that I haven't done, and also things that I can revisit again, so I can be more like familiar with them. So the first is 읽기. You see, topic 읽기 Days TOPIK 완성. This is just so right for this challenge, guys. But yeah, but I guess you can take more than that. Yeah, Suki is also, they brought you to different categories of, you know, because there are 4 questions in the reading, in the writing, there are 4 questions. So all of the materials and the tips of practicing and the tips to score the highest, you can all get it from here. I hope if you're interested, you can buy, but of course there are so many books outside the market as well, and you can use it for as long as you have a reading material. So I really recommend these books. Not sponsors, guys, not sponsors. Hello guys, so now I'm going to share you some of the online resources that I get from my friends. So one of the benefits of online resources is that you can do it everywhere, any place, and it's just easily when you're waiting for buses, then you can actually do some practice over there. But you can always do that like when you have free time during the day. So the first one is a mobile application. So I got these from one of my friends, which is Kat, and currently I'm having a collaboration with them as well, which is FUNPIK app. So actually I never tried the application yet before, so I'm gonna do a screen recording for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to find Play Store and FUNPIK. Oh, I searched it. Yeah, so FUNPIK from iDesign Lab. So let's look at it. So it's FUNPIK, a great way to get ready for the topic, and wow, I really like the interface. And there are like missions, because I saw my friend, they're actually like taking missions every single day, and I think you can get like some reward like the coins over here, and I like that comic. I mean, like, it looks so cute. And there are sample questions and also explanation to the answers. So wow, that's great. Oh, they also have a 학습 현황, which is like an analysis for the topic each year. So I guess that should be like FUNPIK is something like a game version for you to practice Korean in a fun way, of course. So I think FUNPIK, I'm going to explore it even more later on. So do remember, if you are preparing for a topic, you can check this app up, and I'll link the link, which is the application store link below. So you can download it in Android and even iOS. So it's everywhere, it's accessible as long as you have a phone. So besides from the FUNPIK app, I also want to try out with the website Talk to Me in Korean, because this website is where I learned Korean for the first time. So there are actually a lot of free lessons that you can get from this website. So it really changed a lot. So I think if you are a beginner or you are preparing for topic 1 and even topic 2, you can actually get many resources like paid and free one over here. Okay, done all the planning, and I'm clearly know what I am doing for these 30 days, but I'm still quite nervous because I have to start the challenge tomorrow. I just have to challenge myself, because this is the challenge that will be good for me and for me in the future, where I can get higher score in topic as well. So in the next video, I'm going to take the footage of my first week of the challenge, and I'm going to share you like more or less what I am doing to achieve targets, the goals for that day, you know, along the 30 days topic challenge. So yeah, so if you like this series, please like this video and subscribe to me. And this series is going to, you know, keep until the 30 days, and let's join the challenge as well. You should join the challenge with me together in, you know, learn Korean in 30 days and see how much you can improve by spending just an hour for yourself to learn new things, new words, new expressions, practicing speaking Korean for the whole day. And that will be very you will be mind blown for that. I believe that. TOPIK 연습생 화이팅! Woo!